Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel VLOOKUP. First, understand that VLOOKUP is a powerful function designed to search for specific information within a dataset. It works by looking up a value in the first column of a table and then returning a value from a different column in the same row. This is incredibly useful for consolidating data or finding related information across various sheets or tables, saving you significant time and effort. Let's break down the 4 key arguments of VLOOKUP. First, the lookup value is what you're searching for, like a product ID. Second, the table array is the entire data range where VLOOKUP will search, including both your lookup value and the result you want. Third, the column index number tells Excel which column in your table array contains the data you wish to retrieve. Finally, range lookup specifies whether you need an exact match, using false or 0, or an approximate match, using true or 1. Now let's put it into practice. Begin by selecting the cell where you want your VLOOKUP result to appear. Type equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, and then click on the cell containing your lookup value. Next, select your entire data table, making sure the column with your lookup value is the very first column in your selection. After that, input the column number from which you want to retrieve data. Finally, type false for an exact match and close the parenthesis to complete your formula. To avoid common VLOOKUP issues, always remember a few crucial tips. First, your lookup value must always be in the leftmost column of your selected table array. Second, use absolute references like $signs for your table array to prevent it from shifting when you drag the formula. Third, be mindful of extra spaces or inconsistent data entry, as these can cause the function to return an error. Lastly, VLOOKUP can only search from left to right, so plan your data layout accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.